the skeleton. Animal version. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Izu. I am a vet. Okay, this is an X-ray machine. Today, can you help me to identify all the animals based on their skeletons? Great! Let's do it! Number 1. What animal is it? Yes, it is a turtle. How to spell turtle? Turtle. Turtle. Number 2. What animal is it? Yes, it is an elephant. How to spell elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Number 3. What animal is it? Yes, it is a bird. Chip, 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 chip. How to spell bird? B-I-R-D. Bird. Number 4. What animal is it? Yes, it is a dog. How to spell dog? D-O-G. Dog. Very good. Last one. What animal is it? It is a frog. How to spell frog? F-R-O-G. Frog. Well done, everyone. And now for your homework. In your Supermind book, page 102. Number 2. Look and match the animals with their skeletons. Can you do this in your book? Great! See you again. Goodbye.